Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to attach these plastic snap poppers on a fabric. To attach poppers on a fabric I'll be using these Prym pliers. Also I'll be using this pin to poke holes on a fabric for the poppers. And this soft plastic presser tool which goes there. A 6mm tray, looks like that. I'm sliding this tray in on other side of the pliers. I'll be using 4 poppers to create one set. This 6mm cup popper, which has quite sharp pointy bits in the middle there. Next one is called a socket popper, which has quite a big circle in the middle there. Next one is called a stud popper, which has quite a small circle in the middle. So you can see the stud popper, that one has a smaller circle comparing the socket popper. And I'll be using another cup popper. Now I'll show you how to attach these poppers on a fabric. I'm using 2 scrap fabric pieces to show you how to attach poppers on a fabric. First I'm using this pin and I'm pinning this pin through both layers on this fabric like that, so I know where's the center for my cup poppers. Next I'm taking a cup popper and I'm poking that cup popper on the top of the fabric, so the sharp bit is on the left side of the fabric there. That's the front side. I'm placing that cup popper on a tray there. I'm taking a stud popper with a small circle, placing that inside in a sharp bit, and I'm pressing down both poppers together like that. I'm pressing down quite hard so both poppers get together, and my first popper is finished. So that's the left side. And that's the right side of the fabric. Left, right. Next I'll attach second popper. I'm taking a cup popper, which won't go on the top, it will go on the left side. So I'm poking through so the sharp bit is on the right side, placing that cup popper on a tray like that, and I'm taking a socket popper with a bigger circle, placing that on the top of the sharp bit, and again I'm squeezing and pressing that quite hard so both poppers are attached. And here it is, my second popper is finished now. So that's the left side, that's the right side. And now I'm putting those 2 poppers together. If you have any questions, please do comment down below in the comment box. Also, I'll leave the link for these pliers on the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.